welcome! My name is Gela from GelaInTheKitchen.com. Today I'm going to share with you how we can make cute, fun and so easy faces from paper to decorate cocktails. I like to make eyes for my garnish in shape of triangles because it's easy to cut. Simple face for my creature is ready, and now I need to make little cut so I can attach it to glass. The face from paper kind of plain and boring, so I'm going to add red tongue to make it more fun and cute. But I'm not done. I'm going to add on the top parsley, and it makes garnish easy for person to eat because I'm going to take out seeds. Next garnish idea looks like creature drinking from the glass. My personal preference, simplicity, but we also can add tail or we can add wings, and its looks will be like a bird. If you're looking for cocktail garnishes ideas, make sure you visit my website. I have 6 pages of different garnishes for cocktails. Please remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.